Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to hard reset Blackview TAB 7 Pro tablet. Hard reset will erase all data including passwords, phone code or pattern. Performing a hard reset if the tablet is stuck or freeze can be helpful. If you forgot your code, perform a hard reset to erase it. First, switch off the device. Now press the power button. After 3 seconds, press the volume down and hold them until the device turns on. When Blackview appears on the screen, release the power button. Now the tablet is in recovery menu. Navigate in menu with volume buttons and validate with the power button. Go to Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power button. Press volume down to select Factory Data Reset. And press power button. All data is deleted. And the tablet's settings are returned to the factory settings. Press Reboot System now to restart. After 3 to 5 minutes the tablet restarts. And it will have to be configured again. If it had a Google account, you will have to enter it. The reset does not delete the Google account. I will do all the initial configurations so that you can see that the code has been deleted. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It would help me a lot to grow this channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.